How to make images move in Capcut. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can make images move in Capcut. So let's dive in. First, open your Capcut app and then open the project that you want to work on. And now you can see I have this image and I want to make this image move. So what I can do is I'm going to come to the start and then I'm just going to click and select this image and then click this keyframe or diamond over here. You simply have to click this keyframe and add a keyframe over here and then just drag until you come to the point where you want to make the image move. And now you can just zoom or zoom out the image. Once you zoom it in, now you can just adjust it by dragging it, and now you can just go back, and now you can see it has added this keyframe automatically. And now if I play the video, it is moving my image. And that's the process that you can follow to make images move in Capcut. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.